In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email an invoice in Xero. If you want to speed up how quickly customers receive their bills, emailing invoices directly from Xero is simple and reliable. Let's walk through it together, and I'll share a few tips so everything looks professional the first time you send it. Start by logging into Xero with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the main menu and click Sales. This is your home base for quotes, invoices, and customer activity. From here, choose Invoices to see your full list, including drafts, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. Open the specific invoice you want to send. Take a moment to confirm the key details are correct, things like dates, line items, amounts, and tax. A quick review now helps you avoid follow-up corrections later. At the top right of the invoice, click the More Options menu, represented by the three dots. From that drop-down, select Email. This opens the email window where you'll prepare what the customer sees. In the To field, enter or review the customer's email address. Xero will usually pull this from the contact record, but it's always worth checking for spelling and making sure the address is current. If your customer uses a shared accounts inbox, verify you're sending to the correct one. Next, review the email subject and message. Xero provides a clear default, but you can tailor the wording to match your tone. Keep it short, friendly, and informative, referencing the invoice number and due date. Within this window, you may also see options to include a PDF copy of the invoice or show an online payment link, depending on your setup. If your customers prefer attachments, make sure that box is selected. Before sending, read the message aloud in your head to catch any typos and ensure the instructions are clear. When everything looks good, click Send. Xero will dispatch the email and record the activity on the invoice so you have a time-stamped trail. Your customer receives a clean, professional message that makes it easy to review the charges and pay promptly. And that's all there is to it. By emailing invoices directly from Xero, you reduce delays and give customers exactly what they need to pay on time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you send your next invoice.